Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll finish the installation of the body kit on the Astra. So I have the front splitter and the rear splitter. As you can see, both of them are made of fiberglass. I'm gonna have to prep them for paint and paint them, obviously. I'm gonna fit them to the car, probably again with double-sided tape, and as you can see, have pre-drilled holes to fit with the factory clips. I'm gonna try to use that too. First, let's get them sanded. After a long wait, finally the weather is nice enough to install the body kit. So today I'm gonna finish the VX Line body kit installation. I'll start with the rear splitter. I'm gonna remove the diffuser. So I need to remove this black part. There are some clips here holding it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. These two middle clips, this one and this one, would help you if you would have a special plier like this one. You just put a plier in like this. So this is the clip. They are coming like this. So with a special tool, you just put it like this and it should come out. But this one is way too old and kind of brittle, so it kind of broke. This is how it looks, the diffuser on the back. It's holding in these two clips in the middle, like this one, and you need that special tool to get them out. So these are the clips that are on the side. Either you push them from the inside or you just push them in like this. To install the rear splitter, I'll be using some adhesive, and here, these two holes, I'll be putting these two pins. I'll be using the same silicone that I use for the side skirts, so it's from Sika. So this is how I taped it. I made a total mess. You can tell it's made out of fiberglass and doesn't fit very well. So it's gonna be horrific when I'm gonna remove all the tape, but it is what it is. I'm gonna do the front as well. As can you see, the front looks a bit better. I just taped it. I ran out of masking tape, so I used some Scotch tape. I'm gonna put sealant and see how things are turning up. As you can see, this one fits better than the back splitter. I did a horrific job as on the rear with the sealant. I'll have a lot of stuff to clean. Hopefully when I'm gonna remove the tape would look slightly better than looks how it is now. So this is how it looks without the tape. As you can see, there's a mismatch on the paint color. Yeah, so this is how it looks. I haven't done a great job. As you can see, I have to clean some sealant, but it's not a big deal here. On the back, if you look from a couple of meters behind, it's so-so. But when you get close, you see the horrendous job that I did. This one definitely I will have to remove it and glue it back. But because it's fiberglass, I might break it. The kit is not a bad fit, but as you can see, this one has a gap here and would have went a lot better, would have fit a lot better, because here, as you can see, is not overlapping the bumper. But yeah, this is how ends up a bumper to look if you do it on your own. In conclusion, don't do it on your own. Get an extra hand to help you, and definitely will look a lot better than what I did. To end the video, I could say that this tutorial is not how to do it, it's how not to do it. So don't forget to subscribe to see more fails like this.